Oh my goodness, guys. Hello, my healthy people. Welcome back to Maxinescorner. In today's video, I'll be making some red curry lentil vegetable soup. So yummy, so delicious, so absolutely healthy. I have some onions here, and I had a teaspoon of oil that I added to the pan. Gonna stir that around. Then I'm gonna add a few relish that I've cut up. I had a teaspoon of oil. If you're oil free, you can add water. I have cumin. I have garlic powder. I have onion powder. I have a little bit of mrs.dash, some black pepper. All the wonderful smelling spices are all here. Okay, my healthy people, so once this cooks together, I'm just gonna remove it. But before I get any further, guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell so you will get your notifications. Yes, because I don't want to add any more oil, I'm gonna add some water. Then I'm going to add my zucchini, 1 eggplant. I guess I could have cut it up a little smaller. Okay. I'm going to add a little bit more water to that. And you can just eyeball as far as the water is concerned. This is a delicious vegetable soup. The entire family will love this. This is perfect to meal prep with and just have it for lunch. So that's what I love about this. I told you what spices that I'm using: cumin, coriander, garlic powder, onion powder, a little bit of mrs.dash. So I'm just gonna cook this for a little bit. This is a delicious vegetable soup. Okay, my healthy people, so now I'm just gonna remove these, and then I'm gonna put these in again towards the end. This is a delicious vegetable soup, guys. Simple, easy, and delicious. Perfect for meal prepping, and perfect for the entire family. Once again, I'm just gonna add some more water in the bottom. Then I have 1 medium-sized butternut squash that I'm gonna add in here. Okay, so I have 1 potato that I'll be adding. And I also have 1 turnip. So this is 1 turnip and a potato. Once again, this is a vegetable lentil soup. Everything looks absolutely delightful. I hope my pot is big enough. You guys do know sometimes I get it wrong with this big vegetable soup that I have here. I hope it's a good enough size when I had everything back in and it won't be an issue. Alright, my healthy people. So I had to transfer everything over, yes, because, you know, my pot was too small. Add the rest of the stuff that we made back in here, just like that. Let's add everything back in. And now I'm going to add my lentils. I washed them to make sure there was no stones, and this is red lentils. So I'm just gonna add that in here. It's gonna be so good. Look at it. Delicious. So what I'm gonna do now is add 4 cups of vegetable broth. I'll be using low sodium vegetable broth. Alright, my healthy people, so my 4 cups of vegetable broth, low sodium. You know what? I may need to add a little bit more vegetable broth. What do you think? I think so. I have 2 more cups. This is spicy. I'm adding my red curry paste. Just mix it all around. It's gonna make it a little spicy with the lentils. Oh my God, this will last you for a day. I know it'll last a day in my house. All right. Then I have some coconut milk, so I'm gonna add a cup, 2 cups. And this is how we're making our creamy red curry lentil vegetable soup. Mmm, so good. And then I'm gonna need some salt. I always salt last, but all this is needed is some salt, and I always say salt to your taste. I'm gonna leave this for 30 minutes and then I'll be back. Okay, my healthy people, here we go. 30 minutes later. Ooh, yes. If you love what you see, give this video a big thumbs up. Oh my goodness, guys. This vegetable lentil red curry creamy soup looks absolutely delicious. 30 minutes later, I think we are good. I think everything is cooked. I'm gonna give it a good old taste, but you know what? Look at that. Look at this. Yes, I did it again. I love the soup and it looks delicious. Woo! Oh, go ahead and what? Give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It is free, and hit your notification bell. And what? Say it with me. Stay healthy.